Hi, my name is Casey Backus, your Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and today I want to talk to you about our countercloths and how you can get rid of paper towels in your home. Did you know that over 50,000 trees are cut down daily for North America's paper towel habit? So with our countercloths, you can drastically reduce that by getting rid of paper towels in your home. So these are designed to be the size of one of those Selecta-size paper towels. And with this little popcorny texture, they're super absorbent, and they come in a package of 3. So you'll have a few on your counter. You can either get something cute to set them out on the counter so they're handy to grab, or just put them in a drawer where they're easy to grab. When you would normally reach for a paper towel, grab one of these instead. They work great. Just like our other microfiber, they can pick up to 99% of bacteria from a surface with the proper care and use. So it works like all of our Enviro cloths and any of the other microfiber cloths that we have. So you can clean with them, just get it wet with water. You can clean your counters, or you can use them dry to pick up spills, messes, things like that. So wherever you would normally reach for a towel, now you can reach for a reusable cloth and save trees and resources.